Guys, we have to tell you something that's pretty sad, which is around Thanksgiving, Leonard died. And he was really declining. He wasn't in pain, but he couldn't see or hear, as you know. And he was very unsteady on his feet. And then he started literally falling and slipping. And his quality of life was greatly diminished. So I tried to do as much honor to him as I could by allowing him to leave when it was the right time. So Leonard died at home peacefully with me and his dad. And I want to thank you guys so much for loving him and always sending such sweet comments about him. And in some ways, he was all I had in the world, but in other ways, he opened up the world to me. So long live Leonard, my boy.